Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Diecast Chronicles. In today's video, for the first ever time, we are going to do the full unboxing of the 2025 Hot Wheels MKs. I'm very excited, so let's move on to the unboxing part. I have the 2025 Hot Wheels MKs in front of me. This is the Mercedes-Benz 500e. Moving on, you have the Ford Model A Custom. This is the classic car. MKs is loaded with a lot of cool cars. This is the Crate Racer. Do let me know in comments which one is your favorite. Up next, you have the Drift Ender and Pixel Shaker. Again, those are very nice fantasies. Then you have the Tesla Cyberquad and Mazda 787B. Those of you who missed the LKS cars can get all of them in MKs. You have the Bugatti EB110 Super Sport. Do let me know in comments which one is your favorite. Up next you have this Pagani Utopia. That is my most favorite in this case. Then you have the Drift Ender and Mazda 787B again. Moving on, you have the Jaguar Mark 1 and Quick Chat. Up next, you have the pink Porsche, and then you have the Amaru GTC and Big Air Bel Air. Then you have the recolor Porsche 904 Carrera GTS. Then you have the long block, and guys, look at this Ferrari 365 GTB4. How many of you guys have got it by now? You have the Chevy Blazer Custom. MKs has a lot of cool cars. Then you have the King Kuda Honda bike and key swap. I love the key swap here. As I said, MKs has a lot of cool fantasies too. So it's one of the best cases so far. Then you have the Honda bike and the Lotus Cortina. Moving on, you have the Mod Mill and Gotta Go. Then you have the Bugatti. Then you have the pink Porsche 911 GT3. Moving on to the next set of cars. The next set of cars are the Ford Mustang Dark Horse. For the people who missed it last year, this has come in the recolor. And then you have the Twin Dorado and 2013 SRT Viper. Then you have the Ford Mustang Dark Horse again. Let's move on to the next set of cars, and I'm very excited. Oh guys, the case is tampered. And there's that missing car there, but not a problem, let's move on. There's that Ferrari again. And let me have a closer look. And now I'm showing you the Cadillac, long block and 99 Ford F-150. Then you have the Datsun 240Z, King Kuda and Nissan Skyline. Skyline fans are going crazy for it. The next set of cars are the 2013 SRT Viper and Blitz Speeder. Then you have the Gotta Go and Porsche 904 Carrera. Up next, you have the Ford Escort, Tesla Cyberquad and Chevy Blazer Custom. Then you have the Pontiac Firebird and the Aerodynamic. Guys, do let me know in comments which one is your favorite. Then you have the Slide Kick and Twin Dorado. Up next you have the Subaru, Ford Escort and the Riviera. I love the Riviera in the black color. Up next you have the Lane Lowrider, Aerodynamic and Rapid Pulse. Then again you have the Blitz Speeder, Riviera and Custom Kia. Moving on, you have the Hypercar. Do let me know in comments why is it called a Hypercar. Then you have the King Kuda, Stock Car and Subaru. Up next you have the Hypercar again, Dragon Wagon and Mad Fast. Then you have the Monster Dairy Delivery. Let me know in the comments which one was your favorite from the 2025 Hot Wheels MKs. Please do like, comment and subscribe, and do check out my other videos. See you guys in my next video.